Um, oh. Hello everybody, my name is Sarah Derex. I'm a Odoo project manager at B Project, and my talk is about how to automate workflows in Odoo with AI. To demonstrate that, I'm going to do a demonstration in an Odoo database. So it's a live demo, and I will be presenting a module that we develop at B Project. It has been mainly developed by Sylvain Caron, a developer at B Project, and let's start it. First, you can scan this QR code if you have any question. It will be at the end also of the talk. I'll let you scan if you want. If it's okay. First, I'll present B Project, who we are. We are a company that has been created in 2004. We are, at the beginning, we started by developing made-to-measure softwares. So software such as inventory software, sales software, ERP softwares, etc. We have also two other services, website services, which is focused obviously on created websites, such as e-commerce, showcase website, or web apps. And finally, to complete our range of solutions, we decided to create the Odoo branches in 2020. 2020, yes. We are now silver partners, and our range of customer is pretty wide. We work with workshop supervision, productions follow-up, services company, and also management of event and seminars for large groups. To answer the needs, we do some customized development. Now that you understand, I hope, what we do at B Project, let me introduce briefly what's AI. AI is you have two main methods in AI, machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is when machine learn through patterns via data. And we also have deep learning, that's the main subject of today, because it's when you create an artificial brain to mimic the human brain. In those two main methods, you have many types of AI. I'm not going to list all of them because it's going to take too much time, but I will be focusing on those three: generative AI, computer vision AI, and predictive AI. I think you all heard about ChatGPT for text generation, Midjourney for images, Suno for music, Agent for new voices, and Pika.art for videos. Those are all generative AI. They are AI that create data like if it were a human that create them. You have generative AI in Odoo you maybe see it at the keynote this morning with the website builder. Also, you can rephrase or create text with AI on the backend of Odoo and on the website of Odoo. So it's pretty useful for the SEO. We have also computer vision AI. You have also computer vision AI in Odoo. I think you all know about OCR in accounting. That's pretty useful for purchase bills. That's a kind of computer vision that is already in Odoo. But you also have computer vision AI, for example, in supply chain. It will help to detect, it will help the detection of quality defects, product to be counted or be separated, or many other use cases. And finally, the third one is predictive AI. That's my best one. It's focused on predicting behavior using large data repository. It's helped to identify patterns. And I think that bringing predictive AI and generative AI will bring automation in our everyday work. Speaking of everyday work, here are some main players of AI and their main model. We have OpenAI with their model GPT. It's the one that popularized AI and brought it in our everyday life. We also have Meta with their model Llama. It's an open source model like Odoo. We have also Anthropics with their model Claude. It's a kind of ChatGPT. A kind of GPT, sorry. And finally, you have Google with their model Gemini, and that's the AI that is now embedded in your Android smartphones. Now that I have presented a little bit about what AI and the main players of AI, what kind of workflow could be automated in our everyday and especially in Odoo? Here are some examples. Imagine you are a company that sells organic cosmetics and you open a brand new branch in the north of Europe. You don't know the market very well, and you will use AI to help you create your to develop your brand on this new market. Imagine for sales and purchases forecasts, you could ask AI to predict the production based on the season and on the new market, on the demand of this market. You could also anticipate your replenishment of materials by connecting directly to your suppliers. You could also use AI as a stock assistant. Imagine you are on a warehouse and for example, you receive package and you just say, okay, I have received 3 package of this product, 4 of this one, etc., and you are just picking, and the AI will pre-fill the receipt of the delivery and help you complete the quality check, etc. I think also when I talk about stock assistance, you all have in mind the optimization of the path of delivery, the delivery path. That's something that could be really useful. You also have, you could also use AI as a task aid. Imagine to reschedule appointment date based on other appointment date and location and your availability and the availability of your customer. It could be really useful. And finally, we cannot talk about AI without talking about data analyze and reporting. It's really a game changer in the data analyze and the reporting. This is a lot of it's made, could, it will. At B Project, we decided to start developing a module that uses the model GPT to interact with Odoo. So now, I go on my live database. Okay. Sorry. So imagine you have a customer, Marie Doe, who just sent you an email. Just for the information, that's a real email, just it was written in French at the beginning, but I just translated for the demonstration. Imagine your customer just sent you this email, okay? Just random references and product. So you don't want to fill it in Odoo. So you are just going to select the email and go on your Odoo. I'm on my database, and as you can see, there is a new module called Chat AI, but in French. Sorry. And when I go there, I can ask him to do whatever I want. So imagine here, I ask him, here is an email from my customer Marie Doe, create the associated order by searching for products by internal references. And there is the mail just below. I just send it, and I wait the time that he understands. He asked me to confirm what he will do. He said, I am going to create a sale order for Marido with the following product and quantities. I say, okay, that's perfect for me. So he just thinking, and he just tell me, okay, the sale order for Marido has been created. He give me the ID and the total amount, and also he give me the link to the sale order. If I go there, just open me the sale order that just has been created, as you can see just right here. We have all the products that I want to be created, as you can see here. You may be thinking, okay, I just copy-paste an email, nobody do that. Okay, maybe, but imagine you have this functionality on a Contact Us formula on your website. And if it's linked to Odoo, because it's an Odoo website, you don't need to create the order for your professional customers. So that was just to show you what we can do, a simple thing that we can do. Imagine now that you have a website in Odoo, e-commerce website, and you are on a new market on the north of Europe, so you'd like to know if all your products are well sold. So you ask GPT to identify the lowest rated product on my website. And can you list the products that have a rating of less than 3 stars? Okay, so I'm just going to copy-paste this and ask him that. So just to contextualize, I have an e-commerce website set up on my Odoo database. There is some review of my customers, and some of them are good, some of them are bad. So let's see what he's going to tell me. As you can see, he asked me to confirm I will list the product on your site that have a rating of less than 3. Shall I process? I said yes. And I think he just found a product. He said that my protective and cream have a rating under 3, and he just give me a summary, a brief description of what is the problem. And he also, I didn't ask him to provide me some advice, but he did it. He did provide me some advice. Why? Because behind this module, it's GPT, so he's free to do what he is made to do. And here he say, you may consider addressing those issues to improve customer satisfaction and potentially increase the product rating. Is there anything else you'd like to? Is there anything else you need assistance with? As there is a bad review on my product, I may be going to promote this product through through email, a campaign marketing email, marketing campaign. Sorry. In this marketing campaign, I just ask him, I want to create a campaign marketing to promote this product, Protective and Cream, and I want to target all the people who haven't purchased in the last 30 days. The campaign name is Discover Our Ritual for Soft Protected Hands, and I just is free to choose the name of the list. So I just copy-paste this. And what is going to happen? He just summarizes what he's going to do, and he just tell me, okay, I'm going to create everything, and I say, yes, up. What has he done? He just searched on my database. He seek in the database the records that complete my demand. So he searched for customers that has not ordered since 30 days. And he say, okay, you can view the campaign. Just right here, I clicked, and tada, I'm on the campaign, and you can now focus only on creating the body of your campaign and not thinking of how to search for those customers. You can do many other things with this module, but I'm going to present you how everything has been made possible. Sorry. Yeah. This demonstration has been is possible because of this technical background. We are in Odoo, so obviously we are using Python and the JavaScript framework OL. Those are technologies that are made for to do Odoo. Our main character is OpenAI with the model GPT. We also use tool call. It triggers the right functionality in the right model. I mean, it triggers more or less restricted functionality to update, create, delete records in specific models. And we also have SQL search to seek in the database. We are on a live database, so records evolve all along the way, and we need to be sure that we are not going to recreate something. So as you see, he did not recreate my product when I asked him to do the order, and he did not recreate Marido because the customer already existed in the database, because he's seeking the database to see if everything needs to be created or not. At the end, it's only the beginning. Odoo implement AI in the new version. As I say at the beginning, we have OCR, we have generative AI with on the website and on the backend of Odoo. Something that could be added is to use AI from everywhere on the database. As you just see on my demonstration, I go through a specific module, and the aim is to expand the use in the Odoo database. And finally, we need to keep in mind that every new client is a new use case. And AI is just the beginning of AI in Odoo, and we can do many things with that. If you are interested in AI and a French speaker, we at B Project take part in talk about using AI, more or less complicated talk. So if you are interested, you can follow us on LinkedIn. Thank you for your attention. It's time for the questions. You can scan again the QR code if you like.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? No.
J'entends pas.
Can you hear me? Yeah? Okay, perfect. So the first question is it working in multiple languages?
Yes, because it's GPT on the back end. So I do my test in French, and that was working, and here I'm doing it in English.
Can I use this AI to create Odoo spreadsheets and dashboards?
I think, but you need to work on your prompt.
All right. Can it create something else like a partner? Can it create something else like a partner or a contact or whatever?
It can create contact, yes.
Do you need to have an account in ChatGPT to use AI implemented in Odoo?
Yes, you need.
Yes, you do. All right. How to install /buy/download?
This module is not for sale for the moment, but maybe later we will communicate it on our LinkedIn.
Can I import Excel or CSV file? Excel or CSV.
Oh, like it's GPT, so I think maybe you can, but I didn't test it.
What is the cost of the API and the risk of cost out of control?
The cost is depending on the number of how many tokens you are using. So it's all OpenAI cost.
Do you need a vectorial database for ChatGPT integration?
I think it's too technical for me to answer to this question, but you could maybe go back to the developer who is just on the first.
Can it create new modules?
No.
No, it can't. That's about it right now.
Okay.